Welcome back everyone. Guys, if you are running online courses, you already know how tricky it is to add users or students to your course manually in the course hosting platforms after receiving the payments from your students. So here I'm going to show you how you can seamlessly integrate your course hosting platform, that is MemberVault, with your payment gateway, that is Razorpay, in such a way that whenever you are going to receive a payment, the student will be enrolled or added as a user inside your course in MemberVault automatically, so that you don't have to do it manually. And guys, we are going to set up this whole automation without any coding, just by a few clicks. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned. Let's begin. To set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link from the description, and you will be signing up for free from here, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up this automation. So guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button to set up the workflow. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me provide a name here. So guys, this is the name I have given. Now click on create button and you can see the workflow pages loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, that is the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts our workflow, and the action is the automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a payment on Razorpay is going to trigger this workflow, and the automated action would be to create a user in MemberVault. Okay. So when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to search for Razorpay. Okay. And then you have to select the trigger event, and the trigger event would be payment captured. Okay. So here it will give you this webhook URL. So on this URL, you can receive the data of the payment that you are going to get from Razorpay. Okay, and to receive the data here, you need to follow these steps written here to create a connection with Razorpay using this URL. So let me show you the steps. This is my Razorpay payment page, and this is my Razorpay applications dashboard. Under here, guys, you will find this account and settings option on the left hand side panel. Click on it, and here under website and app settings, you will find this webhooks section. Open the webhooks, and here you can click on this add new webhook button to create a webhook connection. So click on add new webhook. Here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So just copy it and paste it here like this. Okay, and then here you can see it will show you the events section. Here you have to select that event on which you want to send the data from Razorpay to your workflow. So guys, I want that whenever I receive a payment, the data should be sent. So here you will find this payment dot captured option. Check this box. Okay, then click on create webhook, and here you can see a new webhook connection is created. And here you can see, as I have copied the URL here, it started showing waiting for the response of this connection. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually create a test payment, which is not an actual payment, and the data of that payment will be captured here as the test data to set up this automation further. So guys, I have created payment pages for my courses using Razorpay, and this is the payment page I have created for this course named as PHP programming course. Okay, here guys, I'm going to fill in some test details of any test student, and here I'm going to create a test payment. So we are under test mode, so Razorpay provides you the test mode to do this kind of test payments. So here I'm going to give the name to the customer. Let's say Jane is the name of the first name, last name is Austin. Okay, here you can fill the email address like this. So guys, I have filled in the details. Now let me click on pay button, and it will bring you to the test payment window. Here I'm selecting card option. Here I am going to enter the test card details. This is not an original card, and here you can provide any suitable expiry date. Here you can fill the name of the cardholder, that is Jane. Here you can provide the code and then click on pay now. And here if you want to save the card, you can save it. I do not want to save it right now. And here you can see the demo bank page loaded up. Here you can fill the OTP, which is the 4-digit number. You can put any random number here and click on submit, and the OTP will be submitted and you can see the payment is successful. So guys, we have received a test payment on our Razorpay payment page. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured, and here you can see we have received the data, and in this data you can see the details of the student and the cardholder and the details of the payment as well. Okay, right. So guys, after getting the payment, I want to add this person as a user in my course. For that, I'm going to select Member Vault here in the action window where I'm running my courses, and I'm going to use the action event as add user. Okay, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it will ask you to fill the API key of Member Vault application and the subdomain. So first let me show you the subdomain. You can see in the instructions, you just have to open your Member Vault account, and in the URL of your account, you will find a subdomain name after the leading HTTP address and before .vipmembervault.com. Okay, so this is my admin section or my Member Vault account, and here you can see this is the URL and here is the subdomain name. Let me just fill it here. Okay, for the API key, guys, you will find the integrations tab on the left hand side panel. When you open the integrations section, you will find this other option. Click on other, and on this other integrations page, scroll down, and here you will find this webhooks API option. Here you will find this key. Just copy the key and paste it here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Member Vault account like this. Okay, and here you can see started asking for these things to add a user in the course. And the course I have here, let me show you the course. I have only created one course right now named as Advanced PHP, and I want to add the user in this course. And right now we have 7 users, you can see, right? So I'm going to select the course from this course ID field, and these details will be filled from the previous step. From the trigger step, I'm going to map the labels I have received. Here are the labels I have received, and here I'm going to map the labels in these fields. So to map the data, you just have to click on the field, and the previous step, the trigger will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, you can just search for the email label like this and map it. Similarly, you can find the first name label. Here is the first name, map it, and the last name. Okay, so these are the details we needed to add a user in this course. Now you can test your connection with Member Vault by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and a new member or user will be added here in this list. Let's check. I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. Alright, and this is the response I have received. Started showing a new user ID. That means a new user is added. Let's check here. I'm going to refresh this page, and here you can see we got the user Jane Austen added right here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. Our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, guys, in real time, whenever you are going to get any real payment, the workflow is going to trigger, and these labels here will be updated, and a new user will be added in your Member Vault course automatically. Okay, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.